All right, so we have another tech tip of the day, how to make a form a graded assignment. So you need to go to your form, and up next to send, you'll see the wheel for settings. Click it. And here you have options. Take a look at all the options and pick what you prefer. I'm only highlighting the quiz option right now. So you're going to click quiz. So this toggle button will be off for you, and then you want to click it to turn it on. Now, locked mode on Chromebooks. Respondents aren't allowed to open tabs or other applications while taking this quiz. Some of our students will have Chromebooks, but not all, so I would just leave this off. But when we get back to school, maybe this is something you want to turn on. All right, release grade. You could release the grade immediately after each submission or later after manual review. So you pick which one you want. Do you want the kids to know what their answers are right away, or do you want to give them their answer and their grade later on? Respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. That's up to you. All right? So you hit save. Now when you go back to your form, you're going to see here where they have the point value. All right? So let me say let's say this is 3 points. Okay? And this is a nice little feature here because you're not going to be able to go over the quiz with them. You might want to say, so add answer feedback. This is a histogram because it represents numerical data, and the x-axis has intervals. The bars are also touching, okay? And you can hit save. All right. And choose the correct answer. So this is a histogram, so I choose that as my answer. Okay? And that is just the quick little video on how to make it a graded quiz. Obviously, you should go through and look at all your options and explore. But I just wanted to tell you where that button was. All right, have a great day.